Hi everyone, teacher Liping here. Welcome back to the new class. Today we're going to talk about the Chinese emojis. I will show you some commonly used emojis in China and what do they actually mean. You might think they mean the same thing everywhere, right? But in China, some emojis don't mean what you think they mean. Alright, let's get started. First one, smiley face. This is the most commonly used one. Most people thought this is just an innocent smiley face and it means, hey, I'm happy, everything's good. But it's not. It actually means I feel uncomfortable inside or dying inside, but I'm still smiling. As you can see, the eyes don't look so friendly, right? Sometimes we use it to express the meaning, I don't like you, but I cannot say it. And I don't really care about what you are saying, and I don't really want to talk to you. So be careful, think twice before you send this. The second one, 加油, 加油. This is a very unique one. I haven't seen it anywhere else. It means to fight on. You got this. 加油, 你可以的, 你可以的. Another unique one, 666, 666. It literally means 666. We pronounce it 666 in Chinese and it means awesome, cool, amazing. It is actually because 6 sounds similar to the word 牛 in Chinese, which holds the same meaning, but using numbers makes it easier and faster to express the same meaning, right? So it becomes really popular. For example, I won the championship in this match. You can say 666. 666, you're amazing, it's incredible. It means that you really impressed me, right? You're incredible and you did such a great job. 吃瓜, 吃瓜. 吃 means eat, to eat. 瓜 means watermelon. We use it when gossiping about something or talking about a hot topic, but this thing actually has nothing to do with us and we know nothing about the truth. But we just watch, follow, or gossip anyway. For example, 2 celebrities announced that they just got married recently. You can use this emoji. What? Since when did they start to date each other? 什么时候他们开始约会的? Next one, a smiley face with the waving hello. Most people thought it means goodbye, but it actually doesn't. It actually means you're cutting someone off and waving goodbye. It also means goodbye forever. So in Chinese, we say 有尽有尽, 再见了, 再见. The last one, 裂开, 裂开, 裂开. This emoji means I'm frustrated and I'm having a mental breakdown. In Chinese, we say 我要崩溃了, 我要崩溃了. For example, I've been overworking for 2 weeks. 我要崩溃了, 我要崩溃了. In this kind of scenario, you can use this emoji. Alright friends, this is all for today's video. Leave a comment down below and let me know which one have you ever misused. Please hit the like button and subscribe to it if you find this video helpful, okay? And I will see you in my next video. Bye!